Are the soles of your Allbirds looking a little funky? Well, learn how to turn them from this to this in just a couple minutes. Keep watching to find out how. All right, these are the Allbirds Tree Runners. They are my favorite Allbirds. I wear them all the time, but as you can see, the sole is getting just a little bit funky. So here's how you clean the soles. Super easy. All you need is two things. You need a magic eraser, like so. I found this underneath the sink. It's not even a brand new one. It still works well. And you need some paper towels. You simply get the magic eraser a little bit wet and you scrub it up dub. That's all you have to do. And look how easily it cleans off. I like to have a little paper towel handy just to wipe off the excess water, because you can see it does get just a little bit messy there. But that's how easy it is to clean your Allbirds soles. This actually works on a lot of different shoes, not just Allbirds. Just get that magic eraser and scrub, and it really cleans your shoes in just a minute or two. I was filming this even, and it took me a grand total of like 2 minutes. So here's how to turn your Allbirds from this to this in no time. Do you have any questions or comments about how to clean your Allbirds? I'll post a link to the video where we actually clean the Allbirds in the washing machine, but the washing machine does not clean the soles very well, so you need to get a magic eraser. I'll also put a link to a magic eraser on Amazon to show you how easy it is to clean the soles. If you have any questions or comments, once again, all you gotta do, use a magic eraser, a little paper towel, and it looks like magic. Please make sure you like this video, give it the thumbs up, and if you want to see more great videos, more great tips and tricks for products that you've trying out, be sure to hit the subscribe button, and we hope to see you again real soon. Hey!